Welcome back, students. So let's continue the next part of this play, Mother's Day, written by J.B. Priestley. In the previous video module, we have discussed especially the arguments between mother and a son, that is Cyril. Finally, Cyril asked his mother that what would happen if we all talked like that. So what will happen? That time Mrs. Pearson, she replied to her son, but the way that you people always do talk with me in this manner. So what about that then? How do I feel that when you talk with me, you all three, your father and you too? Mother asked. So she also said that I have also joined the union to fight for my rights. So later on, when Cyril left, that time here who appears on the scene? The daughter, that is Doris, that she appears, and she was almost ready and ready to go out, or she was that time she was wearing what? A shoulder wrap that she was wearing when she appears on the scene. Who? Doris, the daughter. And that time her mother, it means Mrs. Annie Pearson, she sarcastically remarks, ironically that in a critical way that she remarks, made a comment. What did she say to her daughter? That if I would meet Charlie Spence, I would not look in this way. I would not have made such a face like that. That time the daughter replied that, please shut up, mother, for your information that I am not ready yet. And though I look terrible, so it is not my fault, because I do look in this way or that way, it is only because of you, because you made me cry. Who replied? The daughter replied to her mother that you are responsible. Though I am looking here terrible or awful, so it is not mine, it is your fault, the daughter said. So later on, Cyril enters, it means son enters, that he asked what is going on, what is the matter, why are you crying? The sister replied, it means Doris replied, that time, never, what did she say? Never you mind. Then here enter, once again she enters, mother enters, Mrs. Annie Pearson asked to her children, what did she ask? Have we any stout left? Stout means strong beer, right? Strong beer. She asked her children, have we any stout left? I can't remember. That time Cyril said, bottle or two, because I think, but you don't drink or don't want stout now. Cyril replied, the son replied, I think that you don't drink. But Mrs. Pearson said, I do now. Then Cyril asked, what for? Then Mrs. Pearson replied, to drink you clot, C-L-O-T, clot, see what is given in your book. Clot means here a silly person. She said, see now, the manner she behaved this time, and actually we know that Mrs. Pearson and Mrs. Fitzgerald, that they have interchanged their personalities, exchanged. So that is why now, in the form of Mrs. Pearson, actually Mrs. Fitzgerald is there. So that is why she behaved in this way. Now, later part is given, Mrs. Pearson exits them, she left, and now on the scene, only two characters are there. Which two characters are there on the scene? Brother and sister, Doris and Cyril. So then, Doris asked her brother, what did she ask her? Had she been like that with you too? She asked her brother. Cyril replied, yes, no tea ready, couldn't care less. Then Doris said, well, I am glad it is both of us then. I thought I had done something wrong. Cyril, so did, but it is her, of course. So now in this way the discussion starts. Now here on the screen only two characters, brother and sister. Mother left, Mrs. Annie Pearson, she left. So both are filled with shock and wonder, horror. by the behavior of their mother, the way she behaved. And they were thinking, or they are thinking now, what happened or what has happened with the mother? Why she behaved in this way? That time Doris thinks, what did she think, Doris here, the daughter? That then both of them, they start guessing, brother and sister. Doris, she guessed that perhaps mother, she got hit on her head by something, shocked. So that is, she got shocked. So that is why she behaved in this way. Once again she said that, especially the manner, whatever she said, that doesn't matter. That they accepted. Whatever she said, that it doesn't matter to me. Right, Doris said. But the way she said, who said? Doris said. Especially the manner that in which she spoke or she said, that hurt me a lot, almost, and made me cry. Who said? Doris said to her brother. Whatever she said, it doesn't matter, but the way she said or spoke, the manner, because of that one, that I hurt a lot, and that thing made me cry. So then suddenly what happened? Thinking about the possibility in the future, they start, especially Doris starts giggling or laughing. When he asked, what happened? Why are you laughing? That time she said, because why? If mother behaves in this weird manner, weird means strange or something different, not expected, in this weird manner in front of father, so what will happen then? So because thinking about that future possibility, that they start giggling or they start laughing, both of them, brother and sister. So now in this way here, we have discussed in the first part argument between Doris and Mrs. Annie Pearson. Then Cyril enters in between Mrs. Annie Pearson. She asked about the beer, a strong beer stout. Both of them surprised, wondered. Next, Mrs. Annie Pearson, she left the scene. Only two are there, brother and sister, and they start thinking about the behavior, what has happened with their mother, why she behaved in this way. Right? So in this way here, we have discussed this content. Now the remaining content we will continue in the next video module. Thank you, students.